Hi, babies. Tonight, Nana's going to read you Pete the Cat, The Bus Stop, all about riding the bus. Enjoy the story.
Pete the Cat, The Bus Stop by James Dean. Pete the Cat got a job. He is a bus driver. Pete is at the bus stop. He honks the horn. Two cats hop on. A dog hops on at the next stop. Pete drives on a rocky road. This is not an easy job. What job does Pete really want? Rock star. He wants to be a rock star. Don't we all?
Well, babies, I hope you enjoyed the story about Pete the Cat and the bus, and we'll see you next time. Love you. Bye.